Melissa here, bringing VIP magic to you. And today I'm super excited that I was chosen and just got an email to preview our new Disney Cruise Line Magic Plus bands. Hooray! So on my Wish Cruise in a few weeks, we're going to go ahead and preview all the magic bands. I'm going to walk you through it. We've got 3 exclusive Disney Cruise Line bands to choose from. I'm going to show you my email. I'm going to show you what you do to order your magic bands. Our bands are going to be $10 off retail price because we're previewing those, and what it looks like to have your bands mailed to your home. So I'm super excited about that. Our magic bands are going to be great on Disney Cruise Line. They're going to work similar to what you have when you visit our parks. They're going to open your stateroom door. I'm not going to have to bring a QR code with me to get on the ship, which is nice. I'll just scan my magic band, and I'm just super excited. So this is going to be a preview. Today we're going to just do how to order the band, and then certainly when the bands arrive I'm going to put up another video so you'll see the magic bands. I am going to order 2 of them, 2 of the exclusive ones, and then I'll show you what the box looks like, and then what it looks like when we check in 2 weeks. Hooray! I'm so excited. For your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa VIP Magic. You can find me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. Now let's go look at the process for ordering your Disney Cruise Line Magic Band Plus. Let's go. So, being the magical travel agent that I am, I'm sitting here booking Disney vacations, and I get this amazing email from Disney Cruise Line. It says, hands-free meets the sea. I am going to be able to try out our Disney Cruise Line wearable tech magic band before it debuts. So check this out. We're going to learn more here. And then that's going to take us to this page. So purchase your Disney magic bands. Look at that. So basically at the top, it's going to say hands-free meets the sea. It's going to tell us about what a Magic Band Plus is. It's going to show, look at the designs, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's going to interact with our fireworks shows. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Or at least I think I am. I have to dig into it deeper, but when we go on the sailing, we'll look at that more. Those are our exclusive designs, 1, 2, and 3. I think I'll choose this one and get this one for my hubby. Look at the boarding process. It's going to be much easier just to scan our bands, and then we're going to have hands-free convenience. Look at this. We're going to pay. We're going to tap and pay just like we do at the parks. And it's waterproof, rechargeable, and collectible. So let's dive in. Let's order our magic band. And don't forget, here we save $10 each on each band because we're purchasing before our sailing. Something else you might want to note as well, the order must be placed at least 11 days before sailing, and your Disney cruise reservation must be paid in full. So let's get started. So the email link I just showed you took us to my 3-night anniversary, silver anniversary at sea cruise, and we're going to go all the way down here, and you guys are used to seeing this, so we're going to go all the way down to purchase a Disney band. So here it is. So you can, before you can board, download the app, and then here's your purchase a Disney band. So let's click on that. Hooray, we're on the page where we now order our magic bands. So we come down here, there's my Disney Wish stateroom, 2 guests, and At first, when I saw just myself, I was concerned, but let's get started here. And look, my husband and myself pop up. So our bands are going to be $34.99 each. Now I've already gone in and selected each of the bands, but I'm going to go back and show you how you can choose. So it's very similar to what we do for our land vacations. So here's our 3 exclusive bands. Look at those. So one, here's our second one, it says Disney Wish on the side. And then our cruise line Captain Minnie, because it's a pre-arrival price, it went down to $34.99 from $44.99. So we are saving $10. Now these are all of our regular MagicBand Plus. I wanted to choose one that was exclusive, so to cruise lines. So this is a special preview event. So I went in, and for mine, let's choose. Yay, look at that. So I get a Disney Cruise Line exclusive band. I get to put my name on it here, and then I'm going to complete. Okay, I'm going to put in my credentials. And now we complete the sale. No pun intended. Ha ha ha. And then we're going to proceed to the checkout. So myself and my husband have a limited edition Disney Plus MagicBand for Disney Cruise Line, and we're going to move to the checkout phase. My Disney Cruise Line MagicBands have been purchased. I'm so excited for 2 bands with tax. It was $75.76, and that is with a $10 discount on both bands. I see congratulations. Thank you for your order. For your next magical Disney Cruise Line vacation, contact Melissa VIP Magic. You can find me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. And don't forget, watch my second and third videos of boarding the ship with our new MagicBand Plus on our preview event, and also when I get my MagicBands in the mail. It's going to be an exciting day. Like and subscribe, and contact me for your next vacation. It's my pleasure to assist your family. See you real soon.